enough. So today I'm just going on. So this is the part 2 of this video. So previously we made some of the logo, but next the contact. It is easy peasy going there, and anyone can make this. You can make this, I can make this, and this is for practice. Then what next? Control C, Control A. What happened? Go. Just something like that. Made it up. White color. Then again, I have to make like this. Okay, never. This one something. This is something different. If I go with this button, this is not like this curve. So I don't have idea how this make this is. If you have any idea, please tell me in this comment section. So I want to make it just differently, just like this. And then what I want to anywhere from there. Then what can I do? Just shape builder tool, minus and minus and minus. I think it would be subtract. Then what happen? Then going like that, and if I go there, I can carve it. I don't know. It's a kind of. It is not. It is good for me. And make it for them. I don't know if it is okay. So we can make it like this. Or if you have any idea like this curve, I don't know, either make. So it is for practice. Maybe you're new, or if you're a beginner like me, you can practice. There is a lot of way. So we see there is shadow. So how to make it shadow? Control C, Control F, sorry, Control F. I think it would be one step or two step up, and then change the color into like this, and then go further one more step. I think like that. Let's make a shadow. Does it recognize? No. I have to go further black. Okay, I think it is okay. I can see outside. Command G, and it is our what? Contacts. Next one, digital well-being. Okay, now complete. And we have, this is the, doesn't matter, I just make it this. How can I make it? Just go like this, and then just carve it any on corner. And then what? Then hot. Have to go with, just rotate it about 45. Okay, and then reflect it with then copy. Just close it like this, and then what? Just select the shape builder tool, and then minus. Wow, then just on click, it is separated, and we have to make with this. Okay, we can make it like what the lips do. So I don't want to make with this because I need to this size. So I just make it like this. If you have any idea, just tell me in this comment. I think it is the perfect size with it. Now I just select this one and just pick it this color again. Okay, I think the both shape are same color. What do you think? Is there any difference? I think yes, there's some. And then just middle it here and then go with this color. Now finish the logo. What logo is? Digital building. Just place it into here. What is that? Something like that. Doesn't matter. Now we have to go next one. Next on what? Duck. It is easy peasy. So it doesn't matter. Easy is what is that? Ducks. Doesn't matter. Just make it. Just make it. Just do it. Something like okay. Doesn't matter how big. Then 45 degree, and then what we do is make it in a position divided and group, and then what? Reflected first like this. Copy. I don't want to copy it. And then again, sorry, reflect and do vertically. Okay, and then place it into here. Okay, just drop it to right with click and arrange it to front. And to make it region this corner. Okay, it's okay. Then what next? Just few stroke like white. It is Argentine, so just watch. I'm just going through it. I think it's enough. Doc is enough. Google Doc is enough for today. So what that was, sorry, docs. Now move to the next one. Next one, hot drive. got the idea, I think. Okay, where's the middle? I don't know. So I have to make it manually. And then just divide it, ungroup, then merge. Sorry. Made it. Now just pick the color. Of course, someone did. Why cannot I did it? Okay, next one, the earth. It is not just easy because there is an idea. What that was. Just try it. I'm gonna try it. Okay, this is in circle. Just pick any color. And then what can I do with this tool? I know this is the way to use this. Okay. And both on this tool, make it work, and then I'm going to just lock it. It's not perfectly. They are create nice, easy peasy way. What do you think about that? Just let me in the comment. It is hilarious. It is not perfectly done. I'm sorry. I need to practice again. Just move it. And what that was? We know it. Art. It is Google Art. Doesn't matter. Just fake it until you make it. That's why I all this do with this video. So I need some practice. Okay, it is not well organized. Doesn't matter. I give up with this and this. I need to think. Doesn't matter. I can make it. I promise. But I need to think. So next one is easy. It is easy peasy. It's rounded corner. You need to just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 12. And I think they use the golden ratio. Just make it Terminator. Any circle like this. Sorry. I think it would be better. And then where the center? Okay. Divide it 2. Just copy it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it is completed. It is easy. Exposure notification. Okay. Now goes to the finals. Okay, finals. It is easy. I just make it roughly. Just like that. And color. There is an option. What is the option? I forget it. What? I got it, I think. The rows would be 3 and number of column on. That's okay. And it is the different. No. Let's color it. Okay. Now I think it would be one. Sorry. The pen tool. Somewhere like here, the middle in here, and then we go sit here, and then here. Then you can just make this color, Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Then what can I do? Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Roughly created, and then change the color, then art, then do something right here. Okay, do something right here. Also this one here, and it is okay, I think. No. Go it here. This one, this one, this one, this one. Make it like this. Then I think there is some I need to cut off like that, and it is done. What that was. What that one. Okay, I think that is for today. I just created this bunch of logo today. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I'll make it again, the next part, the next part, the next part, the next part, again and again, just like so. So the from, just like this. So just I need to a thumbs up and also a subscribe button. Just push it. So thank you for today. It's all for today. We can make it tomorrow or the next day. Okay, thank you for watching.